This is going to be quite the undertaking of a video, let me tell you. All right, cool. What up, everybody? We're working on this table saw. It's sat for about 15 years, 17 years, and it's super rusted. I don't even know if it turns on. I haven't plugged it in yet. I probably should have done that before I'd done all this and brought it here. But we're here anyways, and we're going to clean it up. It's super rusted up top. It doesn't tilt. You can't, the tilt function doesn't work on it, so we're going to clean that. Clean this little 2 horsepower engine doohickey guy. And yeah, we're going to see how it all runs. I also have a sander to assist in getting the rust off. So hopefully that works well. We got the big crane out because this guy is really heavy and I don't want to get hurt doing this. So we're going to use the crane guy, latch onto the top. This table saw actually has wheels up in the front, so we're going to use that and just drag it out and then drive the truck forward, and this thing should go floop, 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 and hopefully not break anything. Oh, I hope it doesn't break anything. Let's see if it turns on, actually. I haven't done, oh, this is going to hurt my ears. I don't have my headphones. Never mind. What the hell? This works. Holy shit. Okay, so in my head, these chains are going to hold up the front end, and then the pulley is going to lift the back end. Reason why, that way it just pops up and off of the truck, and then I can drive forward. That's the idea. I sure hope it works. Okay, I gotta drive forward really fast right now before it falls. Because knowing my luck, that's exactly what's going to happen. But hey, it's levitated. Yeah, I would definitely not be underneath that at all. That looks terrifying. It works though. I figured this side you guys can see why we're cleaning it. It looks disgusting. So we're gonna get all the cast iron cleaned off, the inside of this cleaned up. Again, this table is like 17, 20 years old, something like that. So thankfully it's been inside a workshop this entire time. So this is just old age rust. Yeah, that sounds about right. But yeah, that's why we're cleaning it, get all the rust off. That way, smooth sailing for some wood. And then we can make some cool projects with it. That doesn't seem safe at all. Oh, I don't like that. It's in. I don't want to take it off. What am I doing? I can just take this hook off and then call it good. It's totally on its own now. That scared the shit out of me. It's down a small pucker factor, but that's okay. Cool thing about this guy, he's using swats, you lift it, and it's super light. You can move it about. All right, we are gathered here today to clean this disgusting table you guys saw earlier. Super rusted. So we got this, what's it called? The blaster. It's supposed to penetrate spray foam to get all the surface rust, and hopefully it's just surface rust. And then we're gonna take these Scotch-Brite pads and scrub the shit out of it and hopefully get all the rust off. Once that happens, we got this Minwax little buffing paste, and we're gonna make it all nice and shiny and smooth. So that's what we're gonna do. Unlike those other 5-minute craft videos, my shit's actually really old. I didn't fake this at all. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's actually Oh, a lot. That's not foam. I thought it was gonna be foam. You know, all the crevices over here. Oh, this smells. Ooh. Sure does. Now, let me just gently do that. Careful. Yeah, we'll make an extra coating of it. Extra coating. That's fine. There's a little touch-up sprays right there. It's beautiful. All right, now we just leave this on for like 30 minutes, and yeah, we'll come back and scrub the shit out of it. All right, it's been about 25 minutes. This place smells absolutely vile. So that means it's time to clean it. And not even scrubbing it, you can actually see some of the rust that's coming off on its own because it's slanted. So that's pretty neat. But now it's really gonna come off. So for what I've seen online of other people doing is they use an orbital sander so they don't do this by hand. And they just go to town on it. Oh, it worked. Oh, that ruined that for sure. Cut up a towel a bit. Got some acetone here. That should be good. Oh, it looks shiny. Hold up. Wait a minute. No way. That actually worked. Holy crap. Okay, where I didn't really scrub, it didn't come off, but where I did scrub it, oh, it did come off. I scrubbed more right here than there, so that makes sense that that didn't come off. Holy crap. A little dab, a little droppy drop of acetone there. Oh, that gets a lot of the gunk out. All right. Look how dirty that is. Ugh. That's not as bad as last time. Oh, a little dab of acetone will work. Okay, so that was definitely rust still. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was 100% still rust. So the GoPro overheated. I did about 2 more coats of the blast off Rust-Oleum stuff to get all the rust off. It worked pretty well, and then I found 400 grit sandpaper, which is what I'm using right now, to get the rest of it off. Taking it easy, nice and slow. Like this stuff right here, I find very common. I enjoy doing this. And literally, this is like see-through mesh, 400 grit. So it doesn't go any deeper than it needs to. And then with this long screwdriver, or flathead, it works even better. And literally all I'm doing is I'm digging the flathead into the corners here with this guy and getting all the gunk. And it's almost all coming out. All right, cool. We have a regular glove, we have a shiny glove. Ooh. Last bit, get all the little residue off. Oh, that glides like butter. Is there a bug on me? Yeah, there was. All right, I'm gonna let this dry for 10 minutes. I'm gonna come and wax it. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so we're gonna use this guy right here, this paste wax. It's the natural color, so I'm hoping it's clear. It's not some weird color that's gonna ruin what I just did there. Which I doubt it will, but you never know. So we're gonna do the classic wax on, wax off technique here. Literally. It's the first time I can say that and actually mean it versus quoting the movie. Oh, am I supposed to mix this? No. Stupid thought out loud. Don't worry about that. That happens a lot. What I've seen people on the internet do is like, oh yeah, just get a good old dab of this stuff right here and you'll be good to go. Mm-hmm. But what is a good dab? Is that like enough? I don't know. We'll try it that though. You just rub it in. I guess. I don't know. Nice coat. Ooh, that's disgusting. All right, well, we're gonna wax on, I guess. Now, I've never done this. I don't know how well this works, if at all. But if thousands of other people do this, it's gotta be good, right? Hundreds and thousands of other people can't be wrong for using wax on metal. Just a dab more here, do that. The top wax there. That's the good stuff, probably. If we just rub it in the towel, does that work? And then we rub it here. Oh yeah, that totally works. Again, I don't know how much wax you're supposed to put on, but you know, I'm just globbing the shit on here and seeing what happens. I think that's good. It's a ton of wax I'm using here, so it better be good. All right, so other than the camera just falling and I almost lost all my footage here, I hope I didn't, we're gonna clean off the wax. We're just gonna polish it. Oh, wow, that's super smooth. Okay, wax, 100% a great idea. Holy, I was not expecting that. It's like butter. Big fan of the wax here. It's amazing. Here's the table. It's all done. All the rust is off except for the sides where the wood won't touch. I am super shocked about how well the wax worked, how well all the rust came off, because seriously, you would think this is kind of brand new, maybe slightly used, but it's super, super, super clean. 99% of the rust is off. Okay, let's be real here. Like 92% of the rust is all off. I'm not too critical on it. It's literally gonna be used for cutting wood and stuff, so it doesn't be super perfect, but it's super smooth, so I don't have the issues about the wood just stopping on it. So that's good. So table's all cleaned up, the rust is gone. Like I said before, 90% of the rust is gone. I've never done this before, so it took me about 3.5 hours to do, mainly because most of the rust was right there here and like some spots right here. These channels weren't too hard to clear out, just a flathead screwdriver and some sanding paper got it all out towards the end. Other than that, pretty straightforward. The videos online didn't lie. The wax on, wax off method did work. Other than that, I think I might make a crosscut sled next and then like a dust enclosure box so I can easy clean up. And then after that, maybe a laser cut, a zero clearance little doohickey thing. But yeah, if you guys like the video, do leave a like, subscribe, and comment. It does help me out. Other than that, see you on the next one.